Here we have a 2008 Ford E250 VMI Tuscany handicap wheelchair conversion van, high top, 77,000 original miles, one owner van, excellent condition, no rust, has a Braun UVL. Braun UVL, 77,000 original miles, clean Carfax, no accidents, hardly even a mark or a nick on this van. It's as nice as you'll find one anywhere. The condition is outstanding. The original owner kept this in his garage. Gorgeous inside and out, non-smoker, has Q-strain tie-down system. Beautiful, beautiful van. 77,000 miles, tow package. Loaded out inside, TV, entertainment system. Braun UVL lift, 750-pound capacity. Excellent shape. This van was fully serviced at the Ford dealer its entire life. All the service records are included in the Carfax. And this van was serviced at Mobility Works its whole life as well. Excellent. Paint and body is beautiful, it's in laser straight. The roof is in perfect shape, no painting, no fading or clear coat peeling anywhere. Laser straight down the sides, look at that. Gorgeous. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. You can text us. You can find us at SupremeMotorsUSA.com. We do specialize in handicap vans, wheelchair vans, conversion vans. We do accept trade-ins. Tires are about 6 months old. They're almost brand new. This van is tip-top shape mechanically. Needs absolutely nothing at all. It's gorgeous. Braun UVL wheelchair lift. Everything works perfectly. Carpet's in great shape. This does fold down manually. Rear seat. You got gorgeous indirect lighting throughout. Got your TV, entertainment system. Everything works. Got your original paperwork that goes with it. Q-strain tie-down system, which is great. Give it a tour. Call us at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions. You can text us. Everything works. Steering wheel is like brand new under the cover. The owner just kept that on there. Preserve it. Got the original manuals. 77,000 original miles. CD player. Got your rear stereo system. Bench seat. Does fold down. Gorgeous inside and out. Got your LED lighting. Your storage compartments. Headsets. Here you go. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. If you have any questions, you got your window shades here. They're all in nice shape. It's just a beautiful van. You got power outlets everywhere. Excellent shape. Hard to find one in this condition. Show you how the wheelchair lift works here. Have your pendant switch. Everything works the way it's supposed to. It's been serviced at Mobility Works. Needs nothing at all. Excellent shape inside and out. And you're in. All set. Hang up your remote right here. And very easy setup. Got the side entry doors that are expanded for the height. Anybody in any wheelchair can fit in this van. It has plenty of clearance. Again, 77,000 original miles. The van is running perfectly, I might add. The e-brake is on. You need that to work the wheelchair lift. Take that off. Running perfectly. Runs great. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. We are happy to help. Visit us at SupremeMotorsUSA.com. One owner, clean van, clean Carfax. You won't find another one this nice anywhere. We will price this to sell, so don't hesitate to give us a call at any time. Text us. We're happy to help. Thank you.